Hello once again YouTube, Android here to do a quick review on HD Widgets. I know you want to see this app. This is amazing. I absolutely love this application. And let's go, let's start the video. So let's begin the review. This is what you see is HD Widgets, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'll delete this widget to teach you how to do that and to show you how the application works. So you just choose widgets from your app drawer or your home screen, and you can select which size you want. Of course, there are many sizes. This is just for switches and weather, and the others are more complicated with more things to work and more information. So let's do one by one to begin. So you can change almost everything. I don't know. So this is the switch. If you want to choose and change to weather, you just click here. It's nothing too hard. So let's begin with the switch. You have down here a button called random, and it does things absolutely random. So let's begin with the background. You have lots of these 3D effects backgrounds. You have these that I like a lot, and we have lots and lots of colors. You can obviously change to none, and it just has no background. So the switch, you can choose 4G, 3G, everything. I don't know, it must have everything, you know. Wi-Fi blank, I don't know why you'd want to have a blank, but okay. You know, everything, it just has it. So let's go ahead and change to battery. Okay, and now switch color. Can go ahead and use red or a green. The green, everything you want. It has so many options. It's just amazing. So this is how it looks like. You know, you can see that my battery is at 63%, and that's what the widget says. It's pretty good because not all the launchers have this option. I mean, launchers like TouchWiz and Sans, many of them, and for older phones, don't have this battery option. You just have the bar and you don't know exactly how much battery you have. So let's go and now use the weather. For the weather, I think you can have more themes, but I just have this one. So for the weather, it's pretty much the same thing, but you just can change the background, which I think it's enough. What do you like to change? Maybe the icons, but I think it's rather cool. But let's go ahead and no. This is beautiful. Okay. This is okay. Completed. Let's put this one top and widgets. Now what do we have more? We can have headers. You know, this is our only for Galaxy Note users or for other launchers, which allow 5x5 rows, and you know, all that stuff. So for this, you can use, as you can see, your 4x4 launcher. You have to change the capacity of it, and it's worth it. Maybe your current launcher like TouchWiz won't allow you to do that, but I definitely recommend you to use this. It's just amazing. Now switches, background, the same story. You already know this. You have the random button for everything, nothing new. So let's go ahead and choose this gray ish thing, and this is for switches. Now you can choose many of themes. I don't know how to call it, presets, and you can actually add your own one and customize it. It's just amazing. You can create it. It's just amazing. I don't know why this app is so amazing, because I absolutely love everything about this. So, and you can always change the switch color. Let's go for blue. No, too dark. Yellow. Beautiful. Now forecast. Same thing, you can only change your background, but the same thing. Why would you like to change the other things? I don't know, it's up to you. For me, it's perfectly fine. Now the clock is one of the things I like the most, because again, you can change the color. The first color is for the main things you see, and the second color is for the folded parts, I guess. But it's just amazing. This is my favorite one. This is the Roboto font, this is the Honeycomb font. However, for this one you can only have one color, but it's just beautiful and elegant, like ice cream sandwich and jelly bean. Now small header. Small header is a miscellaneous, where you have most of the things you want, like the weather, the clock, and dates and temperatures and things like that. So you can change the background, you can change the clock to many things, like this one. I mean, it has things for everyone, and you can change the clock background, and you can change the color of the clock, the second color of the clock. It's absolutely amazing. Now things vary a little bit. You can have the time on the left, the time on the right, I don't know, only the clock and date, and the things are pretty much the same all the way. Just amazing. And this is a forecast of your current day weather and the next 4 days. I actually have these very widgets in one of my home screens, so let's check it out. This is, as you can see, is exactly the same widget. I really use this application. And let's go ahead and delete everything to create that monster full screen widget that you saw in the beginning of the video. So this is a 5x5 screen, a 5x5 widget, which can be a full screen or weather. I actually don't think this is great. This has a great difference, but it doesn't have the clock, so you know, I think that with the clock in it, the sun is not that big, and everything is more balanced and beautiful. So as you can see, you have an option here. Everything is the same, and you have an option to change this little bar down here. You can either have the forecast or switches. How sweet is this? It's amazing. And you have all the customization you have with the regular switches, widgets, and it's just amazing. So let's go back here, press check, widget loading, and you say, oh, this is not a full screen widget. That's because in my launcher I am actually using 6x5 5x6 actually on screen, and as you can see, it adjusts just perfectly to anything you'd like to have. If you have a 7x7, the same thing should apply, and it's just amazing. So I'll have information and the links in this video in how to get this from the Play Store, but I absolutely recommend this application. For me, it's 5-star application. I don't think that you could have any better. But you know, this is Android and things are always getting better. So let's wait, and until then, don't forget to download this amazing app if you want. Hit the like button, subscribe to AlphaAndroid26. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter account, which is AlphaAndroid26, I guess. And hit the like button to our Facebook page for me, AlphaAndroid26, and Omgabot in Facebook called Super Droid Community. And don't forget, and be a good droid. See ya.